Very good evening to all of you. The principal of Bhagavati International Public School, Mr. Malwalji, Dr. J.H. Pancholi, Executive Director, NCES, has just left to go to Mumbai. Madam Mrs. Rathod, IPS Superintendent of Police, Patan District, parents, grandparents, invited guests, teachers and loving children. Once again, very good evening to all of you. I know that the difficult task for annual day function is giving speech. The reason is the parents come to annual day to witness their children performance, not to listen to the speech of the chief guest. But I have come from Gandhinagar by traveling 120 minutes. I will speak at least 12 minutes. Whether you like it or not, you have to listen. That is the reason I requested the principal, Mr. Malwal, to give me a speech before 2 items are at least over. Otherwise, when I start speaking at last, very few people may be available. Dear parents, I'm not going to take much time. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the prize-winning students and also the students who have participated in the various cultural programs. If my observation is correct, at least 50% of the students of Bhagavati International Public School students must have participated in the various activities. I congratulate the principal, staff members, and the school management committee for their sincere and dedicated efforts to arrange this function in an excellent way. Dear parents, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, our ex-president, once told that if your country is to be free from corruption and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly believe that there are 3 key societal members that can change. They are father, mother, and the teachers. I'm repeating once again, only 3 key societal members who can make a difference. They are father, mother, and teachers. Since all these groups are available here, I would like to say only a few points to the parents. Of course, not to the teacher, then it will take a lot of time. Dear parents, please remember, you are the children's first and most important teacher. Don't come to a wrong conclusion that if you send your children to the school will take care of everything. No doubt, the school will take care of everything. But remember, in your house, you have to be a role model. In the sense, if I smoke a cigarette in my house, if I tell my child don't smoke, then he may laugh at me, not of course in front of me, but of course on back of me. So whatever we want to tell the child, we have to do by doing in our house, so that the child who listens from us will try to learn. Now what is to be done? That I would like to say only a few points to you. The first one, you establish high expectation for your child by acting as a role model. Establish a high expectation. Tell them nothing is impossible. Everything is possible if there is a will. For that, you try to be a role model. I was reading the magazine that we have released. Okay, if you recollect all the rich people, be it be Mr. Dhirubhai Ambani, or Infosys chairman Mr. Narayana Murthy, or the Facebook founder, or Google founder, or HCL owner, you take anybody, they have not started their business with lakhs of money. All these people have started their business only with the thousands of rupees. But they have the high expectation for their life. Because of the expectations, they came up in their life. So what I'm trying to say, establish high expectation for your child. The next one, please provide a quiet place for their study. What is happening in our country now, or what is happening in our house, including in my house, We keep our TV or all our computer on in our drawing room and we tell our child go and study. When I watch serial in my drawing room, how do you expect that the child will sit in the other room and study? What I am trying to say, at least in the evening 6:30 to 9:30 or 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock, switch off your TV. Even though it is a prime time, most of them serials are coming in that time, but you have to sacrifice for your child. Or provide a separate room for your child to study. If possible, if a case, you can do it from class 6th onwards. Then another one I would like to say is, impress upon your child the importance of hard work. The importance of hard work. As a parent, you know that there is no substitute for hard work. The root of education is bitter, but the fruits are so sweet. The destiny of hard work is always success. That's what I told some of the names. All these people, they have succeeded in their life because of hard work, honesty, and high expectation or high goal set by themselves. Same way, tell your child the importance of hard work. Don't come to the conclusion that there is a shortcut. Tell your child there is no shortcut. He has to struggle. He has to sacrifice in case if he wants to come up in your life. Friends, there is no easy way to success. Those who have made it in their life, they made it in not easy way. Okay, they have struggled in their life. They sacrifice their life. Bigger the ambition, greater will be the issues. When you want to walk, the issues are very less. But if you feel that your child has to run a marathon, obviously the issues are more to deal with. I tell you a few examples to make you understand. The bamboo was cut to become a flute. Stone was sizzled to become a statue. Gold was melted to become an ornament. What I am trying to say, there is no shortcut. It is a process. One has to go, one has to sacrifice, one has to struggle in the life to come up. Don't ask God, God give me a blessed life for my child. I tell you, dear friend, there is no such life. There is no such life. He has to work hard. He has to struggle in his life. Then only he can come up in his life. The next important one is, allow the child to be independent. The main problem our country is now having is, we are not allowing our child to be independent. We are telling the child has to do as we like. No, it's not like that. I want to become a doctor, I couldn't. I want to become an engineer, I couldn't. Now my child should become a doctor. No, everyone cannot become a doctor. If everyone become a doctor, then there won't be any patient. Remember, dear friends, what I am trying to say, let child will decide whether he wants to become a doctor, whether he wants to become a scientist, whether he wants to become an engineer, whether he wants to become a chartered accountant, whether he wants to become a politician. Let him decide. We the parents only can guide, remember it. We are only the facilitators. He has to do, remember it. Everybody, he doesn't want to study biology, but we are telling him to study biology. He will do everything. He won't study, remember it. In the month of, if his child comes to 12th standard, we are switching off all the internet, television, Facebook, everything. By thinking that he will study. He will do every work except study, I tell you, dear friends. So, allow him to be independent. Love your child when both way succeeded or when they fail also. This is another problem we are facing. Whether the child is succeeding or whether the child is failing, love the child. The child is not learning 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 today. Nothing is going to happen, dear parents. He will learn tomorrow. Even if he is not learning, nothing is going to happen. Computers are there, calculators are there to calculate. What I am trying to say, if the child wants to succeed in his life, he has to acquire, imbibe all the life skills. What is needed now in the 21st century is, he needs or she needs critical thinking, creative thinking, imagination, decision making, problem solving, effective communication skill. That only we need. We don't want A1 in physics, chemistry or social studies and English. Don't come to your wrong conclusion that the child gets 100 in physics, mathematics, he may get engineering seats in LD Engineering College, but there is no guarantee that he is going to succeed. But if the child is having all the employable skills, or if he is having all the life skills, then the child will succeed. That is what the Central Board of Secondary Education, we call it CBSE, is trying to do with the help of continuous and comprehensive evaluation, that the Bhagavati International Public School also trying their level best to do with the help of the teachers. The another one I'd like to say is, allow the child to grow independently. Of course, I told, create a confidence in his mind. Encourage them to read the books. Encourage them to watch the television. Encourage them to use the internet. Encourage them to use what are the facilities that he is having in the 21st century in the technological way. Don't put hurdles to him. Remember, dear parents, don't police them. Don't police them. Don't pamper them. Don't power them. Don't go for over-parenting. You may not like what I am saying now. Okay, don't over-parenting. The research says that, okay, if you go for over-parenting, it is going to give a negative effect to the child. That is what our research says, whether you agree or not. Now the problem will arise. Sir, you are saying that you allow him to see the internet, allow him to see everything. Then why you are using mobile then? Why we want all the facilities? When you and we were students, there was no computers. There was no internet. There was no mobile. But he was lucky to born in the 21st century. He is having all the facilities. Let him enjoy the facility with supervision. That's what I am trying to say. When the language was invented, only a few people were connected in. I am repeating once again my sentence. When the language was invented, a few people were connected. Tamil was invented, only the Chennai people, the Tamil Nadu people were talking. When Gujarati language invented, the Gujarat people were connected. When Telugu was invented, Telugu people, Andhra Pradesh people were connected. But when the internet was in, everybody, याद रखिए आप लोग, www.दुनिया आपका सामने है. I am very poor in Hindi and Gujarati, तो मुझे मालूम नहीं except बराबर, because Hindi also I never in my life, but मैं कभी थोड़ा हिंदी में बोल जाता हूं. What I am trying to say, forget about what we were. Don't come to that one. Don't come to the wrong conclusion that we need discipline, values and culture. Having said doesn't mean that, I'm not saying that discipline nahi hona chahiye, values nahi hona chahiye, culture nahi hona chahiye. I'm not telling. But the problem is, you take the European countries, you take UA and USA, most indisciplined students. 16 years, they can do anything in America. You can understand what I am trying to say. But I tell you, dear parents, 99% of research and inventions are coming only from UK, USA and European countries. I'm very sorry to say that, not from India. We have 40 crores youngsters in our country. We are contributing 1% of inventions in the world. Where we are after the discipline, we are after the values, we are after everything. I'm not saying that should not be. But what I'm trying to say, you encourage the child to go for critical thinking. If he wants to become a scientist, allow the child to become a scientist. Don't think that he has to become an engineer, he has to get in dollars. No, it's not like that. Then the country cannot prosper. That is another problem we are having. Uska dimag hai wo foreign chala jata hai. Because he doesn't want to earn money in rupees, he wants to earn the money in dollars. That is another problem. We call it brain drain. What to do? Anyhow, India is happy because we are getting foreign exchange. We are getting foreign exchange. So what I am telling is, technology is like a knife. I'm repeating once again my sentence. Technology is like a knife. नाइफ का क्या हिंदी में बोलते हैं? चाकू है. Technology is like a knife. Okay, knife is used for cutting tomato. The same knife you can use for killing a person. इसका मतलब नहीं है आपका घर में नाइफ नहीं है, चाकू नहीं है आपका घर में. बताइए आप, आपका घर में नाइफ तो है. आप टोमेटो कट कर रहा है. You know that where to keep the knife? You are not giving the knife to the 2 years old child. What he will do? He will or she will cut his hand. Sometime आपका भी ऐसा डालेगा. The child doesn't know it is a knife. That is what the technology. Remember it. It is our duty to tell the child टेक्नोलॉजी में क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम है, इंटरनेट में क्या क्या देखना है, क्या क्या नहीं देखना है. सो दैट वी हैव टू टेल, वी हैव टू टीच अवर चाइल्ड okay what is to be done. Okay, what I am trying to say, dear parents, allow the child to watch the TV, allow the child to watch the news. He will get the effective communication skill. Allow the child to use the internet. He will come to know दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है. We cannot talk about 1947 now. We have to talk about in the Abdul Kalam जी का टाइम में 2020. हम तो 2020 के बारे में सोचना है. 47 में क्या हुआ, 65 में क्या वॉर हुआ, 72 में हम बात करने में टी शॉप में टाइम पास होगा. That's all. We are not going to be in our well. We cannot become a developed country. We have been telling that India is a developing country, developing country. When we are going to declare us as a developed country, ये आपका बेटा का हाथ में है, आपका बेटी का हाथ में है. हम लोग का हाथ में है ही नहीं. I tell you, हम लोग सब बुढ़ा हो चुका है. It is in the hands of the child, 40 crores child, who is going to make the difference in our country. Allow the child to use the technology. Again, I am telling, with the supervision. That is very much important. Okay, then tell your child to dream big. Let him dream, 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 dream. He wants to become a scientist, let him dream. I already told, allow the child to be independent. Don't put so many hurdles to the child. Okay, let him be freedom. Okay, this 21st century child doesn't like the questioning. He may come at 10 o'clock, कहाँ से आ रहा है? You ask question, झूठ बोलेगा. He may tell that I am going for, he may asking, Daddy, I want to go for movie. You are not allowing? Fine, you will have some idea. Next week he'll tell, Daddy, we are going have a group study. Group study कहाँ होगा? सिनेमा थिएटर में होगा. वापस आएगा. आप पूछेगा कहाँ से आ रहा है? वो तो हम ट्रिग्नोमेट्री सीख के आ रहा हूं. झूठ बोलेगा. What I am trying to say, don't be very strict. Okay, you may think that, sir, you have been telling so many things. I have 2 sons. My elder son is studying in first year mechanical engineering. My younger is studying 11th standard in Kendra Vidyalaya CBSE school in Chennai. Correct? It's very difficult, I can understand. Bringing the child in the 21st century is very difficult. That to एक ही बेटा है ना, उसका हालत तो बहुत खराब है. किसका पास वो एक ही बेटा है और बेटी है, उसका हालत तो आजकल बहुत खराब है. Because they think that if they say something, he may run away. कहीं भी नहीं जाएगा, आपका साथ रहेगा. Don't worry. Be strict wherever you are strict. Be liberal where you have to be liberal. Tell your child to dream big. Okay. Tell them example, those who have done in their life, they came up. Dream doesn't mean that what you see in the sleep. It is a thing which does not let you sleep. Tell your child to believe in himself. Believe in himself. He can do wonders. Tell him, beta, you can do well. You have the caliber, capacity. The God has given the same size of brain to everybody. Don't come to a wrong conclusion that only that type of people can do, only X can do, Y can do. You tell your child, no beta, you can also do. Create a confidence. You can do well. That's why I told, give unconditional love. Don't give conditional love. You take first rank, I will give you bicycle. अब 12th में स्कूल में फर्स्ट आ जाओ, हम मोबाइल फोन लेकर आएंगे, टैब लेकर आकर देखेंगे, आईपैड दे देंगे, आईपोड दे देंगे. इट मीन इट इज अनकंडीशनल लव. डोंट गो फॉर कंडीशनल लव. गिव अनकंडीशनल लव. Give unconditional love. That's what I said. Whether he is succeeding or failing, correct. Give always unconditional love. I tell jokingly, fail mean first attempt in learning. That's what we jokingly tell. Fail doesn't mean that he is failed. He may fail in physics. He may fail in mathematics. But I tell you, dear parents, if the child completes 12th standard in the CBSE school, he is not going to fail in his life. He is not going to fail in his life. Okay. With that confidence, create. Don't give much importance only for discipline, values, and this one. Give importance all the life skills that I said already. What we need, what India is needed is, we need creativity. We need imagination. That is what needed. Last but not the least, I request all the teachers to take care of the children of our country. Remember, dear teachers, teachers are the national builders. We should not be a material builders. पैसा बनने के लिए teaching post fit नहीं है. I too started my career as a teacher only. My parents were teachers. They already introduced me. I come to this post only because of my teachers. I remember still my accountancy teacher who taught me 11th and 12th, Mr. Johnson. Okay, he was a very short man. Okay, taught us wonders in our life. I'm remembering my Dr. Kobala Krishnan, my head of the Department of Commerce. He has not only taught the accountancy to us, he taught the life to us. So we salute our teachers. I'm today standing in front of you, not because of my father and mother, I tell you, dear friends, because of my teachers, because I lost my mother when I was 4. The students, last but not the least, I thank Mr. Malwalji for having invited me for this annual day function. I know him because of the CBSE inspection. He was after me, though I tried my level best to avoid, but he told me that, no sir, you have to come. So I cannot say no. That's the reason I came. Okay. Do well. May God bless you with all success in your life. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Really, it was an inspiring speech.
Sir, we request you